It is hammer time. It is hammer time. We're gonna be doing some hammering today. Because it is hammer time. It is hammer time. Oh, there's no way! There's no way! Come on! Can we go free for free? Free for free. Oh my god, I hate his corpse. Alright, it's free kills. Free kills. Free for free just by using the special. Alright. Can we go forth? Okay, we're gonna bait him in. No, he hit us. We need to run. No, he got us again. He's just swinging wildly. I need to hit him again, just to get him off our backs. God, he just keeps backing up. Stop backing up, you annoying rodents! 3 times. I'm determined to kill this guy with specials. I'm determined to get him with specials. Determined, I tell you. We've got him 3 times. This guy is being specialed. Oh, he's mad. No, I miss. Crap, he's backing up. Shit. No, you're not. You're not doing it. It's not happening, boss man. Oh, now's the time. Now's the time. Yeah, got him.
Match point, Mason.
Okay, he's backing up. We're gonna back up as well. No, I miss. Shit, I mistimed it. This man is being specialed. See, the problem is it uses up a lot of stamina, so I need to make sure I'm hitting whenever I do it. See, he's just gonna back up. He just backs up, see? Fuck. Can you fucking do it a little earlier? Fuck. Fuck. See, I'm not gonna go in there wildly, mate. Don't make me throw shit at you. Got him. Yes! You made a mistake! You fucked up!